Come test drive the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.